Hey guys, welcome back. So I wanted to come and show you something different that I made using the ice cream cone die from KSCRAFTS. And it's a super cute die. The top piece curves, it's a cone and the ice cream. I did do the ice cream and then I kept looking at it, and for some reason I said, you know what? I wonder if I can do something different. I'm trying to get it all in the same angle because it's big, it's tall. So what I decided to do is a hot air balloon. And I thought it looks like a hot air balloon. I thought it was super cute. Just trying to show you all of the angles because this thing, it's big. Let me see. It's almost the size of my ruler. So it's 11 inches. And, you know, you can make this higher up, but I still could put goodies inside. And it stands. I wish you can see how, I'm trying to do it this way. Does it look like a hot air balloon to you guys? Like if I stand it like this, it's like I can't, my phone is on this thing. But that's what I did. So basically all I did was added these straws, hot glue them to the side, and then hot glue this top piece. And that's it. I just wanted to show you that for this ice cream cone, you can use it as an ice cream cone, or you can use it as a hot air balloon, which I thought was super cute. What do you guys think? Let me know. Does it look like a hot air balloon? I think it does. You could add maybe your pom-poms on this side dangling. But that's my quick little project share. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.